Turn the radio off so I don't get another copyright strike. This shit's ridiculous. I'm not even getting paid and I get in trouble for copyrighted music. Like, come on. Yeah, I'm back on the Magna. I took it to Casa Grande, which is like maybe 8 miles from our house. I got a new top speed on here, so the clutch was affecting, well, I mean, I wouldn't see why it wouldn't be affecting top speed when it's working, but I got a new top speed. Just got off the highway. I got it up to 100, which is good. And it's not like I was just going crazy fast and everything. Everyone was going about 95, but I got this boy to go 100, which is nice. I mean, considering how old it is and everything, but it's running a lot better now. I don't know if I talked about it. I did comment on that video where I was having trouble on it, where the clutch was not resetting. It was the master cylinder. I didn't put the fuck's going on? Feels like I'm not getting enough gas. Oh, come on. What the fuck now? I know I'm not out of gas. Well, this is fun. I do smell gas though. Hope I'm not leaking. Yeah, I smell gas somewhere. I smell it. Is my pump dead? Sounds like my pump might be dead. Actually. Damn, that sucks. Now it stopped. Maybe my pump overheated. Not really sure. Seems like everything is good. I don't see any pinched hoses. Maybe maybe that racing was too much for the pump to keep up. Where's this thing at? That's probably what it was. Pumped up now. What the oh, I'm in gear. I'm like, how did I blow a fuse? I don't know why it was so hard to start. Alright, well, hopefully everything's good. I need to raise my idle. I don't know why it smells like gas, but I don't see anything leaking. I don't know, that was weird. Yeah, now I have full power. It had to have been like something with the fuel pump. Didn't really make much sense. Yeah, it's always one thing. I fix something, something else happens. I feel like it should make it. I feel like I was just going too fast. I mean, I was maxing out and the pump just couldn't keep up. Seems to be working now though. It's weird though because I turned the fan or the radio off and then it just started acting up. Didn't make much sense. Yeah, it's idling low. For some reason, oh yeah, with the slave cylinder, now it's doing it again. Shit, it's dying again. It's acting like I don't have fuel. This is a new problem. I haven't had this problem ever yet. Now I'm completely out. Stalled. I don't know what the something to do with the pump. Now there's smoke. Or some shit. Which would be like some wires or some shit. That pump is hot. Yeah, it is the pump. Luckily I do have another pump. I don't know why it's being a bitch though. It's like overheated or something. Hopefully I can make it back home after. I was going to pay the water bill. Come on. Something with the pump. I knew I should have brought the other pump. It doesn't sound like it's even clicking. I don't know what the damn deal is. I feel like it's gonna do that shit again though. I might have to buy another fuel pump and then just go return my old one. The other one that I bought. Yeah, I don't know why it's like doing this shit. Well, I know why, but I don't know why the pump's being a bitch. It's the fuel pump. I don't know why it's doing that. It was running fine. Like, I guess it's good I'm in a neighborhood. Oh, now the fan's about to kick on. Shit. Oh, I hear it pumping now. It's like, I don't know why it's doing that. It's like it stops pumping and then it starts going crazy fast. Damn, he was going in quick. I wonder if I should let it cool off. I do hear it pumping. There goes the fan. Actually, yeah, I should just throw that other pump in here. I bought this one on eBay. I don't know why it's being retarded. And it's like really damn hot. It's like half-ass working. The only other way that I know how to fix a half-ass working fuel pump is spray WD-40 in it. At least it's not terribly hot today. I think it's like 106 bearable, but barely bearable. Nice. White parking. I just came out to pay the damn water bill. If I knew some shit like this would happen, I would have just taken the CBR. Yeah, I shouldn't be pumping this much after I park. That means there's a problem. Should already have pressure and everything. You gotta hit it. Oh, what did I break it? Or is it pressurized? Maybe it wasn't stopping. It just kept pumping, maybe. I have no idea what's going on. I should eventually stop pumping. Ooh, that's hot. But now is it pressurizing? Sounds like it, but kinda doesn't sound like it also. Maybe the sensor in it is like dead or something. It is a cheap Chinese one. Well, shit. I just need to get home. I think I'm just gonna try to get home. I have to take the back roads. Can't do this shit on the freeway, I don't think. Well, this is gonna suck. Yeah, because it should stop pumping, and it's not continuing to pump. And I have a full tank, I should. Yeah. Well, looks like a long adventure awaits. It's not pumping. It's supposed to stop pumping after a certain pressure. Yeah, it looks like it's not getting enough fuel still. Well, shit. Hoping I can get home. I do have a good pump at the house, like name brand. This is just some eBay Chinese pump. Just hoping I can make it home. I meant to come out to get some groceries and shit, but I kind of just want to go home now. I don't want to be out here like all day. Well, that's funny. Honda Magna drew so much fuel so quick, it killed this eBay Chinese fuel pump. I'm just hoping it just doesn't die. It's not like terribly hot out. I don't really know why the pump's doing that. I think it's about 106 maybe. We usually get up to like 116. I hope this shit makes it. I got like 8 miles, but it seems like it's like being retarded every mile. Maybe a quarter mile. I wonder if I should have got some water before I went on this long journey. Actually, I think it'd be best to actually get on the freeway, but be in the slow lane and just take caution. Because, oh, come on. I feel like when I'm going faster and there's airflow and vibration, then it works. Maybe it just needs all that. Ah, shit. Come on, damn it. This is irritating. Well, this sucks. There's no like area for me to like pull over at. Shit. I think I see a car, but I can't really tell. I think he's over the track. Yeah, it seems like it's shutting off like every mile. I guess it's good that I beat the railroad. Yeah, I don't know why this fuel pump is being a bitch. It just it won't stop pumping, and it stinks. Yeah, it's like getting too hot. Well, my fuel pump's dying.
Oh, your fuel pump?
Yeah, I have one at home, but I'm just trying to get home.
You want me to make it home?
I'm in Arizona City.
Arizona City?
Yeah, I'm gonna try to make it home.
Okay.
Thank you. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that there's fuel because I see fuel in the filter. Oh man, this thing's burning my nuts. Hopefully I don't get hit. Yeah, I can smell the fuel pump. It has like a burnt smell. I don't know why it's not pumping the fuel right. Like I didn't do anything different. I think I just gotta let it cool down a little bit. The fuel is supposed to cool it off. I don't know. Sounds like it might be pumped now, maybe. Yeah, it sounds like there's pressure now. Make it another mile. Yeah, if I knew all this shit was gonna happen, I would have just rode the CBR. And I guess it's good that I did ride this right now because I still do have it for sale. I guess it's just a huge coincidence that the fuel pump's dying right now because I just fixed everything else. It's kind of crazy. I'm hoping I can make it on the freeway. That's a distance. I'm not dehydrated yet, but I feel like I'm not gonna make it home. Is it really dying right now? even remember where that fuel pump is. I think it's in my office. I'm not positive though. Come on, damn it. Yeah, it was about another mile. Yeah, I don't hear it pumping at all. It's like it's only pumping when the key is turned off and back on. This thing is stupid. Now it smells burnt.
Yeah, it's weird. I don't understand. I'm assuming it's the pressure sensor in the fuel pump. It's not detecting when there's no longer pressure, I think. So then it doesn't know when to start pumping again. I'm gonna see if it would start pumping again. Oh, this is gonna suck ass, dude.
Yeah, this is gonna really suck. I'm hoping I can keep the speed limit. At least I got this stupid water bill paid. Today was the delinquent day. So then they throw on like, I don't know how much more, like $5 or something. Come on, damn it. It's dying again. I have to keep resetting the key, I guess. Damn it. Shit is irritating. Dumbass pump. I think I made it about 2 miles this time. Come on. This is my turn off. Hopefully I don't die like on the turn, because that turn is kind of dangerous. There's a lot of people that go fast and I don't want to get hit. I kind of don't want to slow down though. I feel like it might stall if I slow down. I think I hear it pumping. Still alive. I was gonna fill up, but I mean it's working right now and I don't want to maybe have it not work. Yeah, this is the road that I didn't want to stall on because there's hardly shit. Like, I mean, I could pull over, but I'll probably get hit. I would have to go in the dirt, and the dirt has gravel all over the damn, well, I mean, it's dirt, so it's mostly gravel though, if you look at it. At least the bike's running cool. The fan didn't only kicked on that one time when I was just around at the library. Well, I'm almost home. I'm gonna go through the neighborhood, I think. No, I'm gonna go the straight way. The straightest possible way without any stops. First thing I'm gonna do is trash this and never buy a Chinese fuel pump ever again. Just buy the, you know what, with carbureted bike, they basically use all the same fuel pumps. The shape might be slightly different, but they're basically the same. So I was thinking about it, and then I was like, well, if you get a carbureted car fuel pump, it should be about the same, right? And sure enough, it is. Come on, I'm good. I was like, don't slow down, don't slow down. Keep going, damn it. I just didn't put it in yet. I think it's slightly bigger, but the specs are the same. I think the one that I picked up at AutoZone was it was for a 1993 or maybe 80s, late 80s, 1980 something. Yeah, it was probably 80s. I don't know when they stopped doing carbureted vehicles. I think it was an 80s Honda Accord. I think it was a Honda Accord that I picked up the fuel pump for. That's what it was for. I feel like I'm dying. The fuel. Yeah, it is. It's idling high. Doesn't that mean that it's not getting enough fuel? Or I need to reset the idle switch. No, it does feel like I'm idling. Well, it feels like I'm running lean, but I'm still running. It's not running too hot. It's not terribly hot out right yet. I mean, there is still some moisture in the air. Well, we got the farmland right here, so I'm gonna swap that out today. I spent money on the other one. Compared to this, like these are like 15 bucks or something, I think. I don't hear it pumping at all though. I heard a couple pumps. That's funny. It's working now that I'm like basically home. It must have just wore it out on that race. Hard acceleration and high speed, I guess. This pump is a piece of shit. And I always say that. I don't know why I keep buying the Chinese pumps. I don't know why. I should just go out and buy the ones from AutoZone. They're slightly over double the price, but I mean, they work. Like this is a piece of shit, this pump. It works when it wants to. I feel like it's struggling. Almost home, baby. I'm glad I didn't have to leave it. I was just really hoping that it would continue to kind of work like how it is now, so I can get it home, because I didn't want to have to do this whole all-day thing. Kind of hoping the other pump fits good. So I did put some shit on that side also, like the radio amp. I should have just listened to the radio. Could have kept me company. Yeah. It's funny, like when you're near home, everything works. Right now it's working just fine.